Welcome to November, everyone, and it is this time of year where we start getting ready for Christmas. I know some of you already have been. We're watching you, but we have some really fun things to show you that are coming up on our site this month. So Anna, what do we have in front of you?
Oh, we have the most adorable little ornaments. I cannot wait to get my hands on some of these.
Mm-hmm.
Just beautiful details. These are all made out of felt with some stitching.
Scandinavian style.
Scandinavian
and we
style,
do,
indeed.
Krista made these, and bless her, she gave me an L and a G. But they're all of the letters will be there for you. And you know what we're going to do? This is such a beautiful design. We're going to make them printable as well. So if you don't have time to sit and stitch and do the intricate details, you can just print them out and make, even a sign like a happy holiday sign or the name of your child, or use them in a really creative way.
Yeah, I love them. So pretty.
I think we're going felt crazy this month, which I love.
Yes.
Because look at this bird.
I know.
Our new tree topper
is adorable. I mean, wow.
The piece stuff.
All I can say.
We decided this year we're doing 2 trees, so stay tuned so you can all enjoy them and see them. But we are doing more of the adult tree, the grown-up tree, and then the kids tree. And the adult tree, which can also be a kids tree, is themed all around peace this year.
Oh,
I thought that was
a wonderful sentiment.
Yeah, I just thought that was so timely. So this is the tree topper, and we'll have little doves and different things moving down the tree. So make sure you stay tuned to watch that evolve. We'll be sharing all the projects that we put on the tree.
Yes.
And speaking of trees,
yes. I know these are just too cute.
Yeah, to adorn your mantle or to set even as a centerpiece, you can use these. And I think these trees also, Krista made these. She's so great. She got everything to us really early so we could show you. We have some things that Megan is making out of felt that actually kind of go along with this, and it sets a tone for a little bit more of a childlike theme, and that's with the gingerbread houses. So we're doing a felt gingerbread house this month. And these are really cute with them. Yeah.
I love all this felt. I mean, such a warm texture for the winter.
And it's also extremely sustainable.
Yes.
Because it's made out of wool and you can save it and use it year after year. So I see them as heirlooms, really. It's just beautiful. And we're not done with the felt yet because we also have a new felt flower. Thank you, Krista.
Yeah, so this is the hellebore, which we also call a Christmas rose.
Yes.
It's very pretty.
So this is just a smattering of what we have. Oh wait, there's one more. I see one more. We have a new wreath that is really beautiful. I love, the anemone is one of my favorite flowers, and the black and white with the green just adds that really beautiful Christmas flavor without being too overly traditional, I guess. Mm-hmm. But we still have the pine and the berries, and this is just a really simple way you can make a Christmas wreath that's a bit different than what you might normally see.
And it goes with that whole trend of the asymmetrical wreaths.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Asymmetrical, a little bit of Scandinavian in there with the rope. So very beautiful. So we have these coming. We also have this whole theme of the gingerbread house coming for kids. So those two, keep an eye out for them. But let's talk about what's trending right now this month. Because as you can see, there's a color palette going on.
Yeah, so the hot colors for Christmas are the dusty pinks, some of the rich, yummy burgundies. In terms of material, we still see a lot of the bringing the nature in. So pine cones, bark, eucalyptus, all of those yummy textures to bring in. For patterns, I've seen a lot of herringbone, which is one of my favorites.
I love herringbone. I'm so glad it's coming
pretty.
Back. Yes.
So we are seeing a lot of herringbones mixed with polka dots.
Okay.
Which could be a really fun twist. Yeah.
That is a fun twist. That's really beautiful. So here's the color palette that we've pulled together for you guys for November. You can see these beautiful dusty colors and how it integrates into this Christmas season, adding a little bit of pink here and there. It's just so pretty. It feels like a warm cup of cocoa, know? Don't you think?
I like that.
Yeah. So looking at those colors and what's trending, we also went back to our stash and pulled out some things from the past that we felt really fit into this trend. And some of it is felt like we have this beautiful felt joy banner that we made just last year. And this is really simple to make. It's actually quite quick. And this is our little crepe paper mistletoe you can add into the center. So that's a color palette. We also have these beautiful little, felt ornaments that fit right into this color palette that you can make. This again is a little bit more of an heirloom.
Yes.
These can be great gifts
Little
as
jewels
well.
for sure.
Little jewels. Some of the other things, bringing nature in, the little paper cut ornaments that show, this almost diorama of an animal and some nature behind it. They're just so cute. And use your cutting machine. They're actually pretty simple to make.
Yes,
So,
and kind of goes along with that whole Scandinavian theme, which we're seeing a lot of.
yes, which we love, don't we, Anna?
Yes, well, of course.
thing.
I also
Let me see
love
this
this
over.
little birds that we made.
This is one of the OGs of leahgriffith.com. This is one of the first projects that I made the very first year that I was blogging, when I was a blogger. And I made this bird. I remember the whole process of making it, and it really reminded me of my mom.
Oh,
Yeah.
I think it's wonderful.
Yeah, so this might show up on the tree along with our dove. We'll see how that goes. And again, they're really easy. We have videos and showing you how to make those. Then, one of my favorite things, I have to say, are the Scandinavian houses. And these little guys, this is the newest version. We have several different Scandinavian, we have several different houses. We have these that are made in glitter. You can make them in any paper. We have these little ornaments that you can hang on your tree. And then our newest are these 4 houses that you can put the little tea lights in the back. I actually have these decorating my house all year round because I love them so much.
Yeah.
And I think they don't scream Christmas.
No, they're very timeless also,
Yeah,
so
they
they
are.
work year after year for sure.
Yeah, and they're just really solid. I love them. So that's a lot of fun to have. What else are we going to talk about?
I kind of want to show you, so we talked a little bit about the trends, bringing the nature back
Okay,
in. So
yeah.
pine cones, bark.
Oh, yes.
Yes, I really love these little pine cones. If you don't want real
Another
pine
OG.
cones. Yeah.
These happened a long time ago. But this is such a simple one. You just take a foam ball and
Yeah.
cover it with punched out circles, or you can cut them on your cutting machine as well. And they're fun to assemble.
Yeah, I actually think I might do some of these with my
Yeah.
kids because they're really kid friendly.
Yeah, and you can use egg forms as well to make it look more like a pine cone. So yeah, they're just really easy to do. You can use the glue dots too. That would be a really great way
Oh,
to
that is
attach
a good
those.
way, yeah.
Mhm,
Yeah.
Especially for the kids. And then we were talking earlier about what kind of greenery is trending right now. And of course, any type of evergreen is going to be Christmas. It's going to scream Christmas. But of course, we have been seeing again this year, eucalyptus is really kind of the greenery of choice, especially when it's mixed in. And you can see this eucalyptus wreath here. This one is crepe paper, felt, and a frosted paper all mixed up. It's actually put onto a grapevine wreath, so it's very easy to assemble. And this one's been hanging in my house for a while too. I can see making this wreath in a little bit dustier colors, like almost grays and then that blue-green and a little bit more
It's
of a
so funny
fall
you're saying
flavor.
this because I was just gonna say that I like the color of eucalyptus and that kind of more dusty grayish goes so well with these dusty pinks.
They really do, yeah. I think it's a nice fit for this. So yeah, so I think there's so much to choose from. Just go through our site. We definitely have some pulled out for you if you want to go down and look in the different sections that you can see right on the side. I said down, I really meant over here on the side because we moved our side around a little bit. Is it on that side or that side? I think it's on that side. Anyhow, you can see the 4 little buttons that you can click in, and Anna has collected some of our favorites in those sections that you can go look at them and get going on getting ready to decorate for Christmas. But I do have a question for all of you, and you can answer in the comments below if you're on YouTube, that is. But I want to know when you are putting your Christmas tree up. So are you putting it up, the day after Halloween, or you're waiting to the day after Thanksgiving? So Thanksgiving's really late this year. So I was kind of pondering that this morning.
Yeah, fun. Yeah, so make sure you check out our favorite projects. So it's kind of a collection of our favorite, but also ones that are really trending at the moment.
Yes.
Another thing we are working on our site is somebody asked for a paper flower glossary, and that is such a wonderful idea. So we are going through and collecting all of our paper flower patterns in one area to make it easier for you to kind of see the breadth of all the patterns we
you
have
can
on our
scan
site.
through by name of flower.
Yes.
Yeah,
So there are hundreds.
There's a lot.
Yeah. So give me a few days and we'll get that site or that page up for you.
Yes, and we'll have a link for you as well. And we also wanted to mention, I don't know if all of you have popped over to our shop that we have. Our shop is growing, it's maturing, it's becoming an amazing place. We're really putting some effort into getting everything in one spot for you all. But we are doing a sweepstakes over there. So all you have to do is go over to our shop and put your name in, set up an account. That's all you have to do. And if you've already set up an account before knowing this, know that your name will already be in the drawing. We have a huge sweepstakes. We have, you know, the grand prize is like, it's like the grand prize is at $500 worth of craft products and a machine. We also have a cutting machine in there for you as well. So definitely hop over there and do that if you haven't done it yet, because it's totally worth it. You can get some great materials for making all of your Christmas ornaments and even, you know, Christmas gifts and into the spring. So,
yes, and make sure that you browse our new selection of some additional colors of the crepe paper single folds.
We have singles. Yes, that's new.
Yes.
So pop over, you know, we're evolving and growing all the time, so it's really kind of fun to go see what the new things are.
Yes, and within the next few weeks, we're going to have all of these beautiful felt colors so you can order them straight from Shapley Griffith.
I'm telling you, there's a lot going on.
Yeah.
What are we doing for Member Make?
Oh, what are we doing for Member Make? I know.
A trick question.
Of course, we're doing the Christmas rose.
Yes, we are.
Crepe paper hellebore.
We are. So we decided, we did have a hellebore on our site, and it was quite simple and basic. So we are challenging ourselves to create something really magnificent for you. And we're going to sit down and show you how we're pulling that together. We haven't quite finished it yet, so
well,
I know it's going to be amazing.
Yeah, and these Member Makes is really a great opportunity for the paper flower designers in our studio to kind of fine-tune, experiment, learn new techniques.
And knock it up a notch.
Yes.
You know, just make it
continue to improve beautiful patterns.
So we like the challenge. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for giving us the challenge every month. we're really doing it for ourselves. No, I'm kidding. So anyhow, so make sure and join us for Member Make. You'll get the email to let you know what date that will be. You know, it's kind of a tricky month. November is always kind of interesting with Thanksgiving, but it will definitely be before Thanksgiving since it's the day before December. So, or 2 days before December. So keep your eye on looking for the email on that. So make sure and check out our curated sections over here on the side to see what we're, you know, showing you that are our favorites this month. And join us for the monthly Member Make, and happy crafting.
Have a wonderful November.
Yep. See you in December.